Sorry. Keep monitoring.
It's fine.
All right.
That is why Super Eagles don't receive our support, because people don't allow, the government don't allow us to watch them. We continue watching other leagues. They continue watching the talking about Premiership, English football. What our own football?
Yeah, they are the champions. We'll do that. We'll try as much as possible to give you our own. We'll do our own too. Today, the news breaking and yeah. All right. Thank you very much, Felix.
All right, back to the subject of the day.
Now, we're talking about motivation. And then he's fighting his players and other things. I mean, Tunji said before the caller that he has lost it. Has he lost it? He used to protect his players. But
when he was going to them, it was going to be managing big names.
Yeah.
And you know how it is, players proving to be bigger than the coach and stuff like that. When you have star names, players that have been in the club longer than you prior to arrival and everything, they have a stick, they have a name. It's only natural that you face oppositions, and if that occurs, there's nothing you can do about it. Is that how you live?
You can do about it when you have a rebel in the
house. Player power is normal. We see it everywhere.
That is why they call them not
Inter Milan
they call them manager.
All right.
You are supposed to manage players.
All right. We have hello.
That's exactly what I'm telling you.
Lost that caller. Okay. Go on.
That's exactly what I'm telling you.
This was the same man that went to Inter Milan and succeeded.
You expect a coach to manage them, and that's exactly what you expect of Mourinho to do. But at the latter stage with Real Madrid, he lost it, and on the brink of doing that, Chelsea is bringing him back to the Stamford Bridge.
Okay, relax. Can I ask you a question?
Okay, I'm listening.
Are you aware that Mourinho is going to lose a home game in the Premier League? 60 matches, 46 wins, 14 draws, and no losses. 123 goals scored, 28 conceded. What are we talking about there? This is a quality coach. He is the best. With the retirement of Alex Ferguson, this is the best.
Hello, Patrick. Patrick is on the line. Hello, Patrick.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Patrick.
Yes, I'm Patrick calling from Bariga.
Bariga, okay.
I'm surprised. I went as opposed to be in the office up to 5 p.m. But I have to run away from the office just to come and watch Nigeria match. I'm surprised. The whole network, nothing is showing. Both foreign, nothing. Is it proper like that? Please, is it proper? Let us just know what is the problem. Why is it that we cannot be watching our own matches? Please, let me just know. Educate me on that, please.
Probably we'll do that in the next session of Sports Palava. Why we can't watch certain matches? Because for now, yeah. All right. Okay, we have Adu on the line. Hello. Ikechu. All right. Let's have him. Ikechuku. All right, we lost that call. We'll keep on educating this. And Patrick, you ran away from the office. I know you're supposed to surcharge you to go and watch a match. Nothing wrong with that, but let's see. Probably by next edition of Sports Palava, we're going to look at why can't we watch Nigerian matches or any other matches for that matter. Things have to be done rightly. I know we've been having it and government and the people and private sector and what it is. But we should look at that kind of synergy, that understanding, that thing that breaks them work together, the public-private partnership that will make you watch it at home when you want to watch anything, not just football, but other sports as well. After you watch the Channels Kids Cup final. All right, Chioma, how are you?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Chioma.
Yeah, I would actually want to say that for me, Mourinho is the best coach for Chelsea at this time.
All right.
Because, like Zuri actually said, we just can't take it. Mourinho has been the best thing that has happened to Chelsea, and we shouldn't judge him from the Madrid shape. Okay. Because for me, to have beaten Barcelona over and over again, it's just the best. I don't think Di Matteo is going to come do anything. Mourinho for me, nothing else. It's Chelsea and Mourinho. That's just it.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chioma. And for those of you at home, it is half time in Kenya. It is Kenya 0, Nigeria 0. Half time. Let's hope the second half, we shall go over there and see if we can pick that, because we need those 3 points, very valuable for us to be in Brazil. Chioma is speaking the voice.
Yeah, it's obvious.
It's obvious.
It's so clear.
Yeah.
You know, why should people want to judge one man based on just one season and his failures in...
But if the man has been talking on success,
yeah,
and now he has a terrible season, are you saying it's not coming down?
Everyone has a blip.
Okay, it's just a blip, not a permanent.
Before I go further, let me just read you say himself. You say quote here.
All right.
He said to Chelsea TV.
Yes.
In my career, I have had 2 great passions, Inter and Chelsea.
Yeah.
And Chelsea is more than important for me. It was very, very hard.
We have a call from Songota. How are you? Oh, lost that call. Good.
It was very, very hard to play against Chelsea. I did it only twice, which was not so bad. Now I promise. Exactly the same thing I promised in 2004. So what am I saying at this point? That was exactly the same thing he told Real Madrid. He was coming to perform magic. Eventually come to me. He had not won the Europa Champions League even with Chelsea. What are you talking about?
No, he's talking about his passion for Chelsea. But can we just take one of his quotes? Let us try that, Zubi. All right. If I play them in Champions League, I want to go there and kill them. That's my message. He was telling he want to kill Chelsea. He's a Real Madrid coach. He said, if I go there, I want to go and kill them.
Your friend is a gambler. He's a gambler. Take it. I will leave it.
Break it down for him. Break it down. So we almost.
When you wear the crest, when you wear the jersey of a club and you have the crest right there, you are loyalty.
Total loyalty.
It is loyalty.
That is imperative.
It is imperative. Jose Mourinho has been the most successful coach in the history of Chelsea.
Now he's psyching them up again.
Love him.
When things are not going the way he expected,
Mourinho cannot
move out, exit door, and go to
Hello, Premier League title.
Hello, Lucky. Lucky, how are you?
I am fine. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Yeah. I'm calling from Abuja. I'm Lucky Balogun.
Yeah, Lucky Balogun.
Yeah. So I want to contribute this way.
All right. Go.
The point is that at this present time now, we need Mourinho back to Chelsea. We are not talking about winning alone. We are talking about management. Mourinho knows how to manage his clubs. Look at all the clubs he has coached. There is none of them that he has not done well. Despite that he failed woefully in Real Madrid, he still has a cup to go home with. So everything is going on with Mourinho. We are not talking about winning or not winning. He has his own way of managing his players, managing the club. So all we need now is Mourinho, and thank God that he has signed for it. Thank you very much.
Lucky Balogun, your brother says he's your brother.
It's not a matter of blood.
Close it. Round up, we are home. Your brother says Lucky Balogun from Abuja, Tunji Balogun in Lagos. All right, okay. All right, okay. No more calls. We are going. So let us have your last word.
Chelsea should watch it.
Yeah.
Mourinho is a gambler. He's playing game, and if result is not going his way again, he look the exit door, go to another place, and start singing praises. So they should watch it. For the time being, the period of 4 years that he wants to be with Chelsea, I want to sit calm and see how he performs his duties as manager of Chelsea Football Club.
This will be your last word.
I'm so happy. I'm so delighted. It's so obvious. It goes beyond just the result. I'm so happy because the ticket sales will rise. They will swap. Fans will always be at the stadium. The media, the glamour, and everything. And let's not forget, this has been the most successful coach in the history of Chelsea. Won back-to-back Premier League titles. Won the League Cup. Won the FA Cup. No, what can we say?
What can you say? Zubi, what can Zubi say? But then Tunji says, let us sit down and watch. Second marriages. How? But you can't take that from his special one. Everywhere he has gone, he's won titles. And probably Chelsea also won titles in his absence. Maybe a good coach, a good manager, a good owner, maybe the results will come. It is Chelsea today. We shall see at the end of the first season. We shall come back to look at the scorecard of Jose Mourinho, the one who was special, who became the only one, and ended up being one of us. He says, I'm one of you now. Until we reach over again, I tell you, my name is Ken Ochonogo. Have a palaver-free week. Stay blessed.